Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put your Tesla Model 3 in autopilot. To begin, ensure your vehicle is in drive and you are on a suitable road, ideally a highway with clear lane markings. Autopilot is designed to assist, not replace, the driver. Always stay alert and keep your hands on the steering wheel, ready to take over at any moment. Your active supervision is crucial for safe operation. To activate autopilot, first ensure your Model 3 is in drive. For traffic-aware cruise control, pull the right stalk on the steering column down once. This will maintain your set speed and distance from the car ahead. To engage auto steer, which keeps your car centered in its lane, pull the right stalk down twice in quick succession. You will see an icon on your display confirming activation. Once autopilot is active, your Tesla's display will show a visual representation of the road, including detected vehicles and lane lines. A blue steering wheel icon will appear, confirming that auto steer is engaged. You can adjust your follow distance from the vehicle ahead by using the right scroll wheel on your steering wheel. Remember, the system works best on highways with clear markings. Always remember that autopilot is a driver assistance feature, not a fully autonomous system. You must remain attentive, keep your hands on the steering wheel, and be prepared to take manual control at any moment. The system will alert you if it requires your attention or disengages. For more helpful tips and other great deals, including a link for those darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, check the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.